Hi there, my name is Kamran and you are watching my YouTube channel Kamran Star Info. In this tutorial we will talking about the best website by which we make money online. So let's start our video. Before start the video, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications updates. So let's start our video. First of all, you need to open your browser and here you type AdFly shortener. This is the best website by which we make money online. So let's show you how to make account on this website. First of all, you need to go to login. If you don't have account, so click on this and click on this sign in. Click on this and you will sign up into the AdFly website, and please put your details and create your account. If you create your account, so after create account you will get this interface. Here you type in link. For example, we took this link and type here and shrink. Here we get the short URL. When someone click on this, you will be getting paid. I hope you will enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe our video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.